Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to connect to an Azure Virtual Machine using the PuTTY SSH client. This is not a sketch video, it is continuation video of Azure Cloud playlist. This playlist link I will provide in description of this video. So let's get started. First, go to the portal.azure.com. So first I will create a virtual machine. After that, by using public IP and username, password, port I will connect to the PuTTY tool. So now I am creating virtual machine. If you are not on virtual machine, search in search box, create Azure Virtual Machine, select the subscription type, free trial, resource group name. I'm creating new one, myf-rg, myf-rg. Okay, it created new resource group, virtual machine name, myf-vm region. So I'm changing to verify how many regions are there. I am East to US to. I'm changing it. Next, remaining I'm not changing. Ubuntu server I am changing to Ubuntu server 22.04 LTS long term support. This size is not available in June 1. Let's see. There any possibility options are there. Some DC series is there. This is the one CPU RAM. One CPU is sufficient as of now. 8 GB RAM. Okay. Next, authentication type, password. I'm giving my user password. I'm mentioning. So password must be as per the standards like capital letters, small letters, special characters like that. Inbound port roles. See, SSH is mandatory while connected with PuTTY SSH port number 22. If you want to select remaining two as well, I am selecting. After that, next this is these are the steps. Once these are steps completed, then only virtual machine will be created. So disk OS disk type. This is I'm changing to standard. Remaining folder, I'm not changing anything. Next, networking. In networking, here virtual network created subnet public IP. This is the select inbound ports. One new is added. Remote desk protocol. Delete public IP and NIC when virtual machine is deleted. I'm selected. Load balancers, Azure load balancer, application gateway. These two are the load balancers. Next, management. So management, I am not changing anything. Next, monitor. If you want to enable alarms, enable it. Health, if you want to enable it. Next, advanced. If any extension you want to install it. Tags, these are the key value pairs. If you want to add, review, create. So see now this is the overview. Whatever options we are selected, this is displaying like subscription type, resource group, virtual machine region, available options, zone options, availability, zone security type, like that, create. So initializing the deployment, submitting the deployment, it will take around 1 minute to 2 minutes to complete this process. Then we will get a public IP. By using that public IP, we will connect it. So deployment is in progress. Wait some time. The deployment details, these many created on virtual machine. This is the virtual network. This is the public IP. NSG, something it is creating. If you want to go to details and see. Here, say deployment. Now deployment is success. Go to resources. That means we are going to virtual machine VM, my VM. So to connect this, restart, stop, delete. Now it is running. Resource group name, location, subscription ID, operating system, size, public IP address like that. So we want to connect. We are connecting through PuTTY, right? So this is public IP. So PuTTY. This is the PuTTY. We need to enter public IP. This is the port 22. After that, open. it will ask accept, it will ask the login as, so login as, see, this is the username, admin username, password. While creating virtual machine, we are added right password, enter that. So once successfully, see, access denied, I am entering wrong. Now it is successfully connected. After that, check sudo apt, sudo apt, check is there any updates, sudo apt update, is there any updates? So there are some updates are there. This is now, it is terminal. So there are the 13 packages can be updated. So we can use if you want to update sudo apt upgrade. It will be upgrades. Say2 as is asking confirmation, can I update? So meanwhile, let's check these options. Go to VM. So it is done. If you want to check which user it is currently pointing, this PuTTY, then who am I? See my user. If you want to switch super user, sudo space su. Check again who am I? Root user. This way too we can connect to the PuTTY by using Azure Virtual Machine.